Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, uncles and aunties, and whoever else is watching the show. This is Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race, and I'm Vivan.
And I'm Supreet. और आज से गर्ल्स को दिए जाएंगे टास्क और हर टास्क की होगी स्कोरिंग. And at the end, सभी टास्क में the girls who perform the best, the top 3 highest scorers, will become the face of the race.
और हमारी स्कोरिंग सिस्टम बिल्कुल F1 स्कोरिंग सिस्टम की तरह ही है. हमारे पास भी कोई एलिमिनेशन नहीं है. So remember, it is very important to vote for your favorite girl.
And that's because 50% of weightage will come through tasks, but 50% is actually your vote.
So remember, हर एक वोट जरूरी होता है. You know, Supreet, I am so happy that F1 is coming to India. Those cars are amazing. I mean, they can accelerate from 0 to 160 and come back down to 0 in a matter of 4 seconds. 4.
Whoa, Vivan, that is fast, but I have heard कि जो F1 engine की life होती है वो तो सिर्फ 2 hours ही होती है as compared to the normal car.
Supreet,
20 years, normal car.
Yeah, but you know, do you know that the 80,000 precision components go into making that engine and that car come alive? It can rev to 18,000 RPM and it can go round the circuit in at over 200.
Control. I get your point. But पहले हम viewers को ये बता दें कि हम cars की बात कर क्यों रहे हैं?
You're right. हम cars की बात इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा task भी ऐसे ही कुछ है. आज का task है body dynamics, and we are combining the grittiness of racing with the glamour of fashion.
And with that said, I think it's time now to meet the girls. So girls, आज के टास्क में you've got to put your best foot forward, a fashionable one at that.
हम आपको देंगे 3 situations. एक है स्पॉटी, एक है रेड कार्पेट और एक है गराज. आपको इन situations को यूज करके अपना ऊंफ दिखाना है.
And the girls will be clicked by India के जाने माने the very talented edgy photographer.
None other than Mr. Subi Samuel.
First, finish with the lighting. I am in a place where I can create something. I can capture a moment. I can tell a story. वॉर्मर वाला हो रहा है. लाइट अंदर जाने दो तो ऊपर आएगा लाइट. उधर नीचे डाल के उसके ऊपर मार. ऑरेंज ही रख देना ऊपर. सो तुम लोग पंखा लेना इधर लगाना. To be part of something like this and then to be, to be responsible to choose the right person. It's a great sense of responsibility. It's just a good day at work.
My look is a garage look, so I'm very excited and I'm very nervous at the same time because Mr. Subi Samuel is the photographer.
It's such a big day. I mean, I've always dreamt of, this lifestyle, and now that it's happening, I know how it feels. I'm really excited. It's my first time wearing such a gown. It's glamorous. Really excited.
आप हैं पहली कंटेस्टेंट. आप अंदर जाने वाली हैं. तो आपका फेवरेट पोज क्या है और आप क्या करने वाली हैं? अब मेरे कैमरा में दिखाइए मुझे. What's your?
Do this.
So this is what a mechanic looks like.
Hi.
I'm Divya.
Nice to see you, Divya. What we are going to do is, I want you to be on this car.
Okay.
So you can sit on the car, you can move things around, you can use these things if you want to use them as a prop. You can put your feet up, you can do whatever you want. You ready? Lovely, nice, turn face here. Keep changing your posture. Lovely, look at me.
Mr. Subi was really talking, interacting, so it made it very easy for me to understand how to pose, where to keep my foot, where to keep my hand, where to look.
What do you think?
I like the earlier pictures better.
Being the first model that I shot, I think she really brought in a lot and understood the directions very well.
Who's next?
You have no idea how excited and satisfied I am. I mean, the moment I entered, he briefed me about the whole thing, okay? And she starts clicking me.
Arch your body a little more, give me a little more shape on the back. Yes. Give me a few where you're sitting up. Don't keep making the same expression, keep changing, okay? Very nice.
After good 25 shots, he's like, okay, it's over. I'm like, no, it can't be over. I was having such a good time. With this photo shoot, I feel people will see the other side of Akshina, which they have never seen before. And I'm a very expressive person. Out there, I'm gonna give full-on expression.
Akshina, you have to keep changing. I'm not going to tell you to change.
After the session, I feel I have had a very big workout. I'm very tired, exhausted, because Subi is very demanding. I tried my all. I am very happy. I think I did above my expectation.
सुप्रीत, अगर तुम्हारी आ गया हो तो जब लड़कियों का फोटोशूट खत्म हो जाएगा हम भी अपने थोड़े से पोर्टफोलियो शॉट्स निकालेंगे, अच्छे लगेंगे।
जब तक मैं विवान को संभालती हूँ, you go take a break, but do come back because on the other side of this break, the girls are going to
turn up the heat.
Some more.
Based on what you want to use, we'll do the shots.